Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here this is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this Millberget chair from IKEA and then we are going to assemble it. It's very huge. Inside. Oh, okay. This is the base, the wheels, the screws with the tools, the base. This is where your butt sits. Base. Oh, okay. So here's the installation guide in a lot of languages. It's not the one we're going to need. This is the one that we will be needing. Yep. Let's take a look at this first. I see. Okay. Wow. This is cool. So there's something in the back of this. Oh my god, no wonder it was very heavy. Oh wow, okay. Interesting. So this is how IKEA packs things. The base, steel, 5 of them. And what is this? Oh, okay. The base again. Essentially this is just empty space inside. Okay. I feel a bit cheated, to be honest. Let's open this also. Oh, so this is the armrest. So this is the armrest. Then the base steel. And then another armrest. Interesting. So we need to start by combining this. Okay, cool. All 5 of them. And done. Then we need to screw this down. Wow, okay. So many screw holes here. The shorter one. So we need to screw 2 on each of the sticks. 10 in total. Okay, we're done now. As you can see, it's all locked in. Now we're going to install these wheels, 5 of them onto each of it. Okay, all wheels on. Now just need to flip it over. And then we're going to install this base, quite heavy. I think it's just like this. And then we'll move on to the other part. Now we're moving on to this base, chair base, and then we need that. Yeah. And we need to install this onto it. Align the holes. Put in here and then put this also. And then screw it in. So now what we need to do is just put this onto the base there. And then we're going to install the armchair on both of the base here. Screw in the screw, but do not lock them. Now that it's done, it's not locked in yet as per the manual. Now we're going to lay the back onto the chair here like this without screwing them in place on both sides. And now we're just going to try to let it lay straight and then locked in the rest 2 screws. So it's done now. All we need to do is screw in, tighten all the screws here, and then we're good to go. So actually IKEA designed something behind the seat where you can put your screw back in place, and they actually have this slot for you, which is very interesting. And then you can just zip it back so you don't forget where you put. So that's how you assemble the IKEA Millberget, and I hope this is helpful, and we will be see you guys next time. Bye bye.